Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best chef knives. So let's get started. Number 7. Global 8 Chef's Knife. The beauty of the chef's knife is that it can do just about everything, from mincing garlic to filleting delicate fish. And while you may be tempted to go for a knife that's either super cheap or incredibly expensive, both of which are included on this list, the $87 Global G2 Chef's Knife is the just right of chef's knives. It's also the nearly undisputed favorite of 25 experts, including a top chef judge, a knife seller, and several professional chefs. Those $87 buy you an easy-to-grip knife that's solidly built. It can easily cut through a rotisserie chicken, but lightweight enough that you don't need to be able to bench 300 to lift it. Number 6. Mercer Culinary M22612. With more than 11,000 reviews and a 5-star rating, the Mercer Millennia is the undisputed champion of chef's knives available on Amazon. Reviewers are particularly taken with the handle, which they describe as comfortable and ergonomic, as well as the incredibly sharp 12-inch blade. Yes, one whole foot of knife. Plus, at less than $30, it's a steal. Number 5. Shun Classic 7 Hollow Ground Santoku. Bring up chef's knives among food professionals, and the Shun is guaranteed to come up. At 7 ounces and with a blade that's just over half a foot long, it's perfect for home cooks and chefs with deft hands, and the preferred knife style of professional sushi chefs. Michelin-starred chefs Elise Cornac and Anna Hieronymus recently told us Shun is one of our favorite knife brands. And with a lifetime guarantee and a blade that stays sharp longer than it has any right to, it'll be one of yours too. Number 4. Opinel Le Petit Chef Complete Box Set. Should you find yourself raising the next Flynn McGarry, maybe don't start them off with a 12-inch knife. Instead, Top Chef Junior Season 1 finalist Rihanna Bisseret Martinez recommends the Le Petit Chef knife from French company Opinel. There's a red hole in the knife handle where you put your fingers in, Martinez says. It's so you learn the technique of holding the knife. It also comes with a finger guard, which is perfect for amateur chefs in 1st, 2nd, or 3rd grade. Number 3. WÜSTHOF Classic 8-inch Chef's Knife. Lightweight Japanese-style knives may be the blades du jour, but if you want a knife with some serious heft, one that can take a beating, go for the 11.1-ounce WÜSTHOF. I prefer the weight and thickness of the blade of this heavier knife, says James Beard-nominated pastry chef Shannon Swindle. I've used it for 20 years. Number 2. Mercer Culinary White Chef's Knife. For people with mobility issues, or those who simply prefer a lightweight knife, there's the Mercer Culinary Chef's Knife, which weighs less than 7 ounces, and comes from the same people behind the best chef's knife, according to Amazon reviewers. But don't let the near weightlessness of this knife fool you, it can cut through just about anything with relative ease. It will slice through watermelons, cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, potatoes by the pounds without a hiccup, says one reviewer. Number 1. Home Hero 17 Pieces Kitchen Knives. Many professional chefs will say a great chef's knife is all you really need in the kitchen, but if you want a knife for every possible occasion, the Home Hero, which has more than 9,004 and 5-star reviews, is the way to go. In addition to a chef's knife, this set includes a bread knife, a paring knife, a carving knife, and more, plus an external sharpener, so you never have to worry about your knives becoming dull.